So that is simply butterfly bangs in one cut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple method in being able to give your clients the must-have fringe, and it has been for a few years, but they're coming into the salon still to this day asking for those face framing bangs, those butterfly bangs, something that's really soft around the face, something that sort of fades away, and nothing like this. This is just a little bit overgrown looking. So I'm going to show you how to put layers in it and how to do it super fast. So let's get into it. So basically what we want to do, we want to have a look at where we want to part it, and we do want it to come to the corner of the eyebrow being there. That is where we're going to section off to, and I'm just going to section all this hair at the sides back away from the face, so we have just got the fringe to contend with. So let's just talk about the sectioning pattern. So you can see I've got this triangle here, heavy triangle. This mannequin head's got an abundance of hair, and that's something to also be aware about. If you go into the salon and you're asking for this fringe, just be wary of and mindful of what hair type you have, because if a hairdresser and you've got thin or fine hair and they say, right, we're going to come right back from here, we're going to cut it in, you're going to have this really lovely voluminous fringe, it's taking length away from your sides. So start with a little bit of caution and just say to your stylist, saying, look, I want to go for it, I want to get a fringe, but I understand my hair is quite fine, so can we start off sort of like 2 centimeters back and then start to add a bit more hair? That's probably the best way to do it. But this is one of the best hacks you'll ever see for putting in this fringe if you're going to put it in on your client. So you can see how heavy that is sitting. It's a section from corner of the brow, and it just comes back to near the high point of the head. It basically comes back to where I'm going to take the hair to. So I'll show you. When I bring this hair up, the reason I'm going to be elevating and bringing it back is because elevation creates softness. Over direction maintains length. So I know bringing it back from there, I'm going to maintain all of that length, which is going to still sort of fall around here. But how am I going to achieve the shortness and the short and long pieces with this fringe just by that? We're going to do this. So let's bring her forward. She's straight. Make sure your client's always straight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist. I'm going to put the comb back in there just to hold it. So I've got a lovely twisted section, which means that piece of hair is now over there. That piece of hair is over here. Bringing it back and elevating it back is going to create softness. So what we're going to get length left here, shorter in the middle, because that hair has stayed exactly where it is. The only thing that's changed with over direction is that is now over here, and that is now over here. So let's point cut this in, because again, point cutting is going to create loads and loads of softness. This is going to create some layering as well, because we're coming back here. So it's going to be longer underneath, and you're going to have these beautiful layers that just take away that weight over the top. Now you can see that. How beautiful and easy is that? So we just get that. And this is a thing I always say to clients. They're always like, how do you get your fringes just to stay? And it's fingers and thumbs. So what you do, it's as if you're, I don't know, what do you do that for in life? Money. Making money. That's what people do, isn't it? Making money. So you're making money. You're getting your money fingers. And then we're going to find it. And we're just going to do that. And you can see how it just gives you that shape already. Get your fingers again. Fingers and thumbs. And we're making money. Now how cool is that? So that is simply butterfly bangs in one cut. Let's throw this out, take these clips out. From a grown out fringe to now something which is like you can bring your clients. I mean, I know plenty of you are going to be trying this on yourself, and to be honest, it's that easy for a professional. Why not? But look, let me know in the comments down below what you think. It is probably the simplest way I've ever done to have a butterfly bangs fringe, face framing fringe, wolf cut, kitty cut, whatever they call it, shag. But look, so simple. There you go, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, let me know in the comments down below, and give me some video ideas as well in the comments down below. Let me know what the next video you want to see, or the future video you want to see. I've got some ones which have asked me to do blow dries, pixie cuts, a lot. So until next time, I'll see you on the next video.